Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to explore an important distinction in the world of enterprise maintenance, the difference between facility management and facility maintenance. Not sure what the difference is or how it impacts your operations? Stay with us to gain a deeper understanding of these two roles and the essential skills required for each. We'll also reveal the top online certification programs for those keen to advance their career in these areas. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the difference between facility management and facility maintenance. It's a bit like comparing a project manager to a computer programmer. While the project manager defines the scope and oversees the entire project, the computer programmer is the one who's responsible for the quality of the code and the creation of the product. But hold on, this comparison isn't perfect. Facility management systems encompass more than just facility maintenance. There can be some overlap, especially in situations where there are a lot of heavy machines, high employee turnover, or other disruptions to the normal flow of things. So let's clear up some definitions and pin down what each of these roles entails. This will lay the groundwork for a deeper dive into facility management and maintenance. We'll also cover the common skills needed for these positions. Facility management involves individuals who keep a facility operational, efficient, and profitable. They support the workers and equipment of the facility and plan for the future of the equipment, workers, and buildings. Think of facility management as the oil that keeps a facility running smoothly in the short and the long term. Facility maintenance, on the other hand, involves the employees who keep a facility maintained, operational, and efficient. They maintain the facility as a whole and the equipment and tools that make it work. Their goals may vary from the rest of the facility's goals, and focus on keeping everything running smoothly day by day. You could compare facility maintenance to window washer fluid that keeps the facility clean and functioning. While the end goals of facility maintenance and management are fairly similar, their scopes differ widely, particularly in how they go about achieving peak facility optimization, efficiency, and profitability. So, what's the scope of facility management? It's best thought of as the intersection between the facility's people, planning, and progress. Facility management is all about planning ahead and making informed decisions about the present. A facility manager might cover tasks like keeping the facility up to date on rules and regulations, forecasting production in unusual circumstances, crunching data to inform executives about potential gains or losses, supervising multiple teams, managing budgets, creating proactive facility plans, and advising on the direction that the facility should take. However, they typically won't be directly working with or on equipment, maintaining the facility on a daily basis, or leading small teams on specific tasks. Now let's talk about the scope of facility maintenance. When most people think about facility maintenance, they may think about cleaning, inspections, and other janitorial duties. But facility maintenance covers a lot more. It includes maintenance of equipment, processes, tools, rooms, areas, and everything that makes up a facility. Its primary focus is on keeping the status quo at an acceptable level of operation to facilitate the facility's daily operations. Specific facility service requests also fall under facility maintenance. These requests can be defined as any maintenance request that falls outside the regular scope of maintenance that does not require a change in space use or classification. It also must not require professional engineering. These requests can include minor upgrades to walkways, pavement, and outdoor landscaping, some installations of new lights and wiring, painting, carpeting, and other cosmetic updates to spaces, and cleaning and supporting spaces for extra events. Depending on the circumstances, facilities may outsource their maintenance. This decision is commonly made when companies decide to focus on other aspects of their business, such as production, efficiency, or simply consolidating their workforce into a specific type of employee. If there isn't much need for heavy management or maintenance, it makes sense to outsource these tasks to trained professionals who can come in on an as-needed basis. Now let's talk about the skills needed to be a facility manager. These include strong interpersonal skills, project management experience or expertise, cross-networking abilities, IT savvy, emergency reflexes, a management mindset, and a facilities management certification. So how do you learn facility management? Here are the top 9 certification programs that can be taken online and from the comfort of your home. First up is LinkedIn Learning's AutoCAD Facilities Management course. This course teaches maintenance technicians about CAD, 2D drawing, site planning, and computer-aided facilities management. Next is the IFMA Essentials of Facilities Management. If you've recently started your facilities management career, you may benefit from this 3-workshop series by the International Facility Management Association. Red Vector offers hundreds of online courses that cover all aspects of facilities management. Arizona State University offers non-credit certificate programs that can be completed online. Ferris State University offers a facility management certificate program. The University of California at Irvine offers an online facilities management program certificate. The University of Kansas offers an online certificate for managing maintenance for buildings and facilities. 360 Training offers online licensing and certification in building maintenance and management. And finally, the State University of New York offers an Associate of Applied Science degree in the School of Facilities Management. In conclusion, the difference between facility management and facility maintenance is the difference between the short-term and long-term view of your facility as a whole. Management takes over the larger picture while maintenance keeps everything running smoothly on a daily basis. Many professional paths in both of these fields can lead to the same end, facility management. For people looking to take the next step in their career, many classes exist to get you started. And it all starts with a careful look at your facility. What do you need? Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the key differences between facility management and facility maintenance, and highlighted the top online certification programs for those interested in these fields. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel. For more information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We're here to help you make the most of your maintenance and operations teams.